Hey everyone, Lindsey here, back with another dose of Weekly Whimsy. We're going to be exploring all the Web3 innovations that are shaping the future of tech. So if you're ready to explore with me, let's dive in. First up, let's celebrate our growing Discord community. We are now at 3,781 members. If you haven't joined yet, now is the perfect time to join in on the conversations. Today in Powered by Pinata, I will be highlighting Dartroom. Dartroom is redefining the digital art market by being one of the first carbon negative platforms. It's not just about showcasing exclusive art, it's about creating a sustainable, accessible ecosystem for artists and collectors. With lower transaction costs than Ethereum, Dartroom is breaking down barriers, making it easier for artists and collectors to thrive and grow their presence in the digital art world. In Web3 news, let's talk about Third Web. On November 20th, a critical security vulnerability was identified in an open source library used across many Web3 platforms, affecting some of Third Web's pre-built smart contracts. Thankfully, no exploits have been reported, but it's a stark reminder for smart contract owners to stay vigilant and update their contracts. It's a crucial moment for the Web3 community to prioritize security in this ever-evolving landscape. Now for tips and tricks, let's dive into the ever-evolving world of NFTs and metadata. Beyond just being a technical term, metadata holds a treasure trove of information about NFTs. Imagine understanding not just the artwork, but the story behind it, from the creator's details to the origins of the piece. Accessing and managing this metadata becomes more than just feasible, it opens up a realm of possibilities for NFTs. And that wraps up this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. If you found any of these insights as fascinating as I did, show some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons down below and joining our community. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye guys!